All right, here is Unit 4, Week 1. So I've skipped a lot of pages around because we are not going to work on it. Oh, so we'll go and start in the first page. Go and put your name on the top. All right, so number 1. We're going to look at, these are jobs people have. These are, in fact, jobs people have in our community. We're going to go ahead and circle the tool that this person would use. So if this is a handyman or a handy person, which would they use, a hammer or a net? So I want you to circle the one that somebody like a handyman would have. You can look, they have a tool chest. So what do you think they have in that tool chest, a hammer or a net? Okay, go ahead and circle it because I'm moving on. Next one is a veterinarian. A veterinarian is an animal doctor. Now, which one do you think the animal doctor is going to use? A rake for like out in the garden, or a stethoscope that listens to the heartbeat? So which do you think a veterinarian would use? So go ahead and circle the one you need. Okay, next one is a cook. A cook or a chef. Will he be using a sewing needle or a pot? So circle the one you need. I want everybody to circle. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go through. You'll need a hammer, stethoscope, and a pot. So I hope you're ready to circle these because it's time to go to the next answer. Okay, now we're going to work on the letter O. The O says, aw. So remember, we're going to circle everything that starts with the O sound, the ah, and you can go back and color if you finish early. So we have octopus, cake, olive, nest, ox, on, otter, ostrich, tent. And there are 6 pictures today. So here is a octopus. Octopus, is that a ah? Okay, let's circle octopus. Reed, did you circle octopus? Okay, next one is cake. Cake, are we gonna circle cake? No, we will not circle cake because it's the letter C. The next one is an olive. Olive. Is that an ah? Yes, it is. Circle olive. Next one is a nest. Nest. Is that an ah? No, it's not. Next one is an ox. Ox. Is that an ah? Here's the light switch, and it's in the on position, so the word is on. On. Here is an otter. Otter. Ostrich. Ostrich. Circle the ostrich. And then tent. Nope, that's a T. Next, we have ostrich, olive, apple, ox, otter, octopus, on, and nurse. We're going to write the letter O next to everything, and I want a lowercase o. Do not make it capital. So you notice the O in ostrich. It's underneath the dotted line. It does not go over. Does not go over the middle line. Does not touch the top line. Because we're not doing a capital. Next one is an olive. Olive. Next one is an apple. So that's a A. We don't need to do an A. A, not an apple, apple. Here is our ox. Our otter. Our octopus. You hear the in octopus? Here is on. And nurse, we will skip. All right, so we're going to skip these pages. Now I want you to practice the O's. The O is another letter where the capital and the lowercase look the same, except one goes all the way to the top, one only stays in the middle. So start here and you go around and back. Around, top touch, and then back down. All right, O. Okay, the next one is lowercase o. It only touches the middle line. Okay, these are super simple. We've practiced these a lot already, so this shouldn't be tricky. So I'll go ahead. This is our work for today, and I hope you follow along. If you finish and I say it's okay, you can go back and color.